Hello, teacher. I have a question.
Oh, hello, Sarah. What's the question you'd like to ask? Tell me.
The thing is that I'm having trouble improving my English.
Well, you're not doing poorly. You performed well in the last exam. What's the issue?
One of my problems in English is that sometimes I get stressed during conversation, and it makes me forget all the words I have learned.
Oh, I understand this is normal, and we all have experienced this problem at least once. The best way to deal with it is to practice and talk to people a lot.
But it's not enough. I need to improve my English quickly.
I've already mentioned that practice is key. That's how you'll improve your language skills.
The thing is, I need to secure a better job, and for that, I must speak excellent English for that. Please, I need your assistance. I can listen and understand, but I can't speak fluently.
I understand. It takes time, but I can offer you some tips. Are you taking notes of new vocabulary we learn in class every day?
Yes, but it doesn't seem to work for me. I note down all the new words but don't use them.
That's where you're going wrong. It's not just about taking notes, Sarah. You need to implement those new words. If you don't, what's the point of noting them down? Work on expanding your vocabulary every day by picking new words. Repeat each word to reinforce your memory. Let me give you an example. Suppose you learned the word car today. Use it in a sentence, like, my car is blue. Associate the new word with others.
Oh, I remember you mentioning something like that before. Associating new vocabulary with real-life scenarios.
Exactly. That's the most effective way to learn new words in English. People mistakenly think that translating a word is enough, but it's useless if you can't use it. That's why you have to incorporate new vocabulary into your daily life. Real-life application is crucial.
I think I understand. Knowing the meaning of a word isn't enough if we don't use it, we'll forget it. Is that correct? That's an excellent tip, Mr. Zavala. Can you share more tips?
Certainly. Another thing that worked for me was immersing myself in English. You don't need to be in an English-speaking country for that. Find ways to make English part of your daily life. Writing your shopping list, reading the newspaper, listening to the radio, writing a diary in English.
I do that every day. I listen to English videos on YouTube to improve my listening skills.
That's great, but sometimes it's not enough. You need to listen and pay attention. If you don't understand a new word or phrase, take notes and start using it. I mentioned that in the first tip. You can also make English-speaking friends.
English friends, people who speak English or want to speak English.
It can be either. The idea is to have friends with similar goals, helping each other practice and correct.
I told my friends to practice last time, and they were motivated at first, but then...
I understand. Not everyone is as motivated as we are. Keep that in mind. Before I forget, motivation is good, but it's not everything. When motivation wanes, discipline becomes crucial.
Discipline? I am disciplined. I always complete my homework and projects on time.
That's good, but it's because not doing them might lead to a bad score. Discipline means committing yourself to doing what you have to, even if you don't want to.
I think I get it. One question. Is it necessary to read books in English?
Read everything you can: classic literature, paperbacks, newspapers, websites, emails, your social media feeds, even cereal boxes. If it's in English, read it. Why? This content will be full of juicy new vocabulary, along with a fair amount you already know. It helps improve quickly.
That's reassuring. I was worried because I don't like reading books.
Also, find fun ways to learn new words. Not everyone learns the same way. If you like singing, look up the words for your favorite English songs. Write new words on post-it notes and stick them around the house with fun example sentences.
I like that idea and I enjoy listening to music. I can do that.
Remember, making it fun doesn't mean it's not serious. You still need discipline.
Got it. One more question. How often should I study or practice?
It depends on you. The more you practice, the better and quicker you'll learn. Some people get stressed easily, while others can handle hard work and pressure. So, if you can practice all day, that's perfect. Ignore those who say 1 hour a day is enough. If you want to accelerate your learning, add more hours to your practice. Be realistic, though. Learning a language takes time. You can't become fluent in just a week or a month.
Yes, I know that. But I'm determined to learn and master this beautiful language.
My last suggestion for improving English is to enjoy the learning process. You can do whatever you like, play video games, watch movies and series, and listen to your favorite music.